Right down into air centre. We've really got 4 planes, 4 aircraft within inches of each other. Smoke is on. What an atmosphere, what a scene. Oh, they're going for another one. I don't know. You think we can do 3 loops? Who wants to see 3 loops? Give me a little bit of love. Make some noise. I don't think you're loud enough. Here we go. Loop number 3. Oh! Riley has broken away to the back. The edge 540 goes to the right. The 3 pits are off to your left. We've got a fire on the right. 5 wings on the left. Here we go. Wobbles all better. Do we see? Have a look at that. 3 hearts or props hanging them in the air. Oh! A triple hammerhead. You gotta love that. Put your hands together, boys and girls. To the right, where has Riley gone? Jet and waiting in that wolf pitch throw. Right at the middle. Look straight ahead in Airshow Centre. Here comes Riley McDonald. Oh yeah! Look at that as he tumbles and turns. After a massive climb. First time public display for Riley here today. You are all witnessing history here at Day 1. Wings over Shell Harbour. Holy hector! And they get a headache even watching. Look at that, folks. Absolute precise control. Here we go. Here comes the pits. Riley up to the left. Nice big loop here. Oh, he's on the left, he's made to the right. Get your cameras ready, get ready for some noise. As we give you, ladies and gentlemen, the Sky Ace split. And if you like that, show your appreciation. Make some noise. You are at a show, ladies and gentlemen. And there he is, hanging from the sky, above the fire and smoke and cause. Brings it straight back down. Oh, which way do you look? Oh! Jet and Glen, 8, 3 and 4, with smoke rings. Well, that's all part of the show. I'm trying to find where they have gone. It's too exciting. There's the pits. There's another pit. Ah, out the back. Here comes Paul and Riley. There's the chase on. Down low with the smoke on. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got a top flight on our hands. Here we go. There he is, he's hanging from the top. Riley chasing him up. And now for the tail slide. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the best tail slide you'll see in the world. Guaranteed to qualify. One of you like what you see. It's time to look loud, boys and girls. Because here he comes. Ace 3 and 4. And I want you to look at the person to your left right now. Lean over and give them a big sloppy kiss. Because this is for you, ladies and gentlemen. A love heart from the Sky Aces for all the rubbers. I still can't believe them smoke rings. Where are we? through the love heart and rings blades everywhere. Ace 1 and 4. Here comes Jet coming back. Glenn's coming back. So they'll reform out over the mountains. Little 4 ship echelon, where they should come down in box formation in what Paul likes to call the Concorde. This will be one of the last opportunities you'll see him in 4 form. So here we go, Paul out in front and should invert. The Sky Ace team, and we're a family team. We're here having fun in your backyard today. So you'll see Paul in an inverted position. Look at that, outside looping up. We'll pull away from the team. Ace 2, 3 and 4. We'll bring it on down, but here, get your cameras ready. We've got hammerheads out to the right. Whilst Paul Bennett does a knife edge. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Sensory overload here at Wings Over Shell Harbour. The knife edge pass. The Hall of Fire. Paul Bennett and the Wolf Pitch Pro. To your right now. His team will bring it back down. It's getting a little dark now. I can see. Yeah, that's Jet. Now that's the baby wolf pits. Jet's down safe. Glenn's down safe. Riley's down safe. Paul will come back and check his team is safe with a run over the top, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a good day when we get them all back down and when these boys bring their aircraft back along. Where you are sitting here today, especially those in the VIP stand, I want you to lift the roof, because I think you agree that we have just watched. There's Jet, donuts from the youngster. The boys will come and park and wait for the captain to your right, ladies and gentlemen. For the last time today, Paul Bennett will bring that beautiful Wolf Pitts Pro back down to earth. Look at the side slip on him. Well, aviation fans, it has been a cracker day, and what a way to finish it with our Sky Ace team. They haven't finished yet, they'll bring them down and line abreast on the airstrip. Brian McDonald, his first public display. You will not wipe his face, he went off his face, I don't think, for a month, Ando.
Mate, he's no longer going to be called a tyro.
No longer a tyro. He is a Sky. Have a look as they come along, folks. You can see down along the crowd line with a beautiful aircraft here today. Please take your time on your way out this afternoon. Drop in, have a look at some of the vendors as they leave out. But most importantly, show your appreciation to the Sky